I'm doing some copy and paste from ChatGPT, and this is how it's coming out. You can actually work with it over to get just keep working with it, and it'll make it. If you ask it to give you something, you can paste into cells, and it'll come out correctly. But if it doesn't, and you end up with something like this, it's no big deal. Sometimes it's just easier not to battle the code. So then you go to yeah. So this here doesn't really matter. I can delete that. That's what's separate. That was the title bar from the table title. But you're going to select the information. I'm just going to select it like this and go to data, text to columns, hit delimited, go to next, and then kind of start over. I think I did it already, but I want to show you. See this bar? I don't know where it's at on the keyboard. So just copy it and go to select data, text to column, delimited, next, and then paste it right here where it says other, control V. And then hit next, and everything's separated. Like you can see how it's separated according to that bar. And then just delete that. And then space those out. And there you go. That's how you use that information, break it up into cells. And I hope that helps you if you're using chat and trying to get data and research. Thanks for watching.